absolutely flying along on this road. We got a heck of a tailwind right here. So I don't know if you can hear me in this wind, but I'm heading back to Pollença now. This is my first hour done of the 4.5 hour ride, and then we got a load of efforts to do. A load of efforts. Allen keys, stand. Bike stand right there. Must be like the main calling point for people whenever they do a loop up here. Like, very windy today though. Fallen trees everywhere. Nice little start to our effort going to this little village right here. And we finished like somewhere at the top of that mountain there in the corner of the screen. That's our 30-minute at sweet spot completed. Going really well so far actually. I'm not feeling it as much as I thought I would. It was bang on the numbers as well. So that's all we're doing now is descending back down to Pollença and then turn around, come back up and do a 10-minute max effort. Then we're going to roll home. Believe it or not, today they did actually forecast rain. That's why I kind of came out like really early. But if you look over there, is it going to focus? Yeah, look at that. Like, there's a few clouds. Look, there's one there, and also behind me there's quite a few. But like, they don't actually look like rain clouds. You know, like Welsh rain clouds. Also, check this out. Like, you can see the wind that was forecast has actually come. Check out this tree. It's completely been annihilated, and there's the other half of it, like over there. What on earth is going on here? It's like a chain gang of people. Last two. There's loads of them. Heading back down the mountain now. This is our last rep. Got 50 minutes left to ride, and the sun is still out. Not them begrudging it, but I didn't have to go out so early if I knew it was going to be sun. Something has either broken in or broken out of this fence. I'm guessing broken out.
He'll follow your choo-choo round the bend.
It's closed. So I've just come off the descent now from Luck. I'm heading to Port Pollença, and I literally haven't pedalled for probably half an hour. I've done all my work today and I'm well over my training stress score, so I'm just freewheeling. But I'm literally like doing 33k an hour, 21 mile an hour right now. and I'm not doing anything. So hopefully we'll make it all the way back without pedaling because it's slightly downhill and smooth the whole way.
Rubber bandit, I just can't stand it. Been a rubber bandit all my life. Rubber bandit, I just can't stand it. Been a rubber bandit all my life. You follow your choo-choo round the bend and close upon you when you're full steam ahead. But don't point that gun or tell him no, 'cause he sure is shooting. Gonna go away, far, far away. Rubber bandit, I just can't stand it. Get a rubber bandit on my...
It must be like a storm coming in. It must be, like there's no way the wind would be this strong if there wasn't something bigger coming. Just got back. I don't know if you can hear the wind whistling from there, but because it's like on a ledge, but I don't know where the boys are because it's picked up quite a bit. Good ride actually, really good. Only trouble is, like I've got back now and it's just gone 12 o'clock and there's absolutely nothing open. No shops, nothing. Still hasn't rained yet. Well, I told you it would rain.